Hi, today I'll be talking about the theory of planned behavior and how it will help to promote Victoria University. These are my group members, Daniel Tan, Amandev, and me, Sean Heng. The theory of planned behavior mainly explains consumer behavior and how their behavior will affect it. Behavioral intention consists of three factors: attitude towards behavior, subjective norms, and perceived control. Attitude towards behavior affects how likely you are going to consume the behavior. This could be a good thing or a bad thing. Subjective norm basically means that how people around you think about the behavior that you are going to perform. This might be caused from close friends or close family members. Lastly, I'll be talking about the perceived control. The more you are wanting to do something, the more you will do it. These factors then leads to the behavioral intention and then following with the consumer's behavior.
In order to utilize the behavior effectively, we need to first find out the target, action, context, and time of the behavior.
So now I'll talk about the main strength of TPB. The main strength of TPB is to helping people to understand a person's behavior by examining the things that influence it. The next one, we are able to draw a relationship between our intentions and our action because of our perception of behavior control. So I'll talk about how do we apply it on VU. For me, I debated whether to enroll at Victoria University before I did. Starting with attitude toward conduct, I initially did research and discovered that VU has several programmers and resources that are finding appearing. This creates a positive view and increases the likelihood of joining VU. I still gather feedback from my family, close friends, and recently graduating students. So depending on how positive or negative they are, the opinion will have an impact on my final choice. At some point, I began to question my ability to succeed at VU.
Now to discuss the weaknesses of TPB. The first weakness is that it is exclusively focused on rational reasoning. This excludes unconscious influences on behavior such as emotions, which are beyond the anticipated effective outcomes of this theory. The second weakness of the theory is that the static nature of TPB also does not help to understand the evidence effects of behavior on cognitions and future behavior. However, the main criticism of this theory is that it is limited in its predictive validity. Reviewers of the theory have found that the majority of variability in observed behavior is not accounted for by measures of the theory. This applies to specifically the problem of inclined abstainers. In context of VU, these are individuals who form an intention and subsequently fail to act on this intention of theirs. There will have been students who initially wanted to join VU after doing their prior research on it. However, they subsequently failed to act on their intention due to possible influences that aren't accounted for by the TPB.
In conclusion, if all the factors are positive, this will then attract more students into joining Victoria University. Thanks for listening and hope to see you all soon.